Grateful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of my spiritual master Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and my Siksha Guru and Sannyas Guru Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. So internationally offer my humble respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakshidhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava and Vaishnavis, and presented all of my respectful guests. So I will not take too much of time. And all you are also tired, so long time. You are singing and sitting. So just I want to speak few words. And so long journey, coming from far away. Many hours we also traveled. Yesterday we did also Ekadashi, then our whole night also Ekadashi in flight. Then he arrived so long. And what is his name, Didi? Ashtashaki Didi. She is very humble and prominent. The disciple of Nitya Leela Pravishtam Vishnupad Srila Bhakti Vedanta Srila Swami Maharaj, and also Didi Jasasini Didi and Jagatam Didi. They are so kind also. And most of the Swami Maharaj disciples, they are so kind and love and affection with me. Gurudev and sent me in Western country to preach. So I came here. 97, I arrived in London, just I remember. And that time here, the devotees, they so love and affection with me. I cannot forget their love and affection. And many times I was staying in her house. In
what fort?
What fort? You are living same place or different place now?
No, we're still there.
Oh, still there, okay. And also, what is it, Didi? Anandini Didi. She is living in Brighton. Okay. I remember these things. Also, Anangaman Prabhu, in house I was staying, in Lister. In this way, here UK devotees so love and affection with me.
Radhika's house.
Huh? Radhika is also, her parents' love and affection I cannot forget. Very nice. Her father's, every time he also arranged my program in a Hindu temple nearby. Her mother, she cooked everything for me. I laugh and I remember these things. Many remembrance coming, what will speak when our devotees here, when looking their face, then my heart is overjoyed. And how they have love and affection. Now new devotees are coming, and maybe they don't know the previous how we also preach here, then this way. Kamala Didi, she also told, I remember. She arranged a very nice program in Nityananda Trayodasi, that I can never forget. When I used to come, when Nityananda Trayodasi coming, I remember this Leela. She arranged a very nice program, did Parikram. Then, almost our program finished, and that time police kicked out. Could you remember? So this, and also they changed many places also. Here, there. Yeah. But where Ganga Mata they are established, I am going there. I always following there. Everywhere. Doing many hours. So, but and also Sita Didi, she told very nicely about Ishwar Puripad and with the prominent disciple of Madhavendra Puripad. This is very important also. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Charitamrita explained. First, the sprout of prem manifested in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. And actually this prem coming from Srimati Radhika and manifested in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. Then Madhavendra Puripad gave all his treasure of heart to Ishwar Puripad. Then Ishwar Puripad, they also gave everything to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. This is our actual disciplic succession, Guru Parampara. But Lord Chaitanya, so far Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained this one very nice slokas. Highest, what is called separation mood. Oi dino dayadra nato mutura nato kada avalukash. This verse, first Srimati Radhika recited. This is the highest, what is called, Birha Bhav. Mathur Birha. What did he say? What do you mean Mathur Birha? You understand or not? When Krishna left Vrindavan to Mathura, that time gopis they felt pang of separation from Krishna. So for this regard, this mood is, this Viraha separation is called Mathur Viraha. Highest mood is there also. How Srimati Radhika, she cried for Krishna. This and this frame, this verse, Vaidina Dayadra Natha Mathura Natha Kadavalukas, this mood, Srimati Radhika she recited. Then this verse again recited by Madhavendra Puripad. Or again same mood, same verse recited by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, and Chautha Lok, Chautha Jan Kabhu Nahi Suni. Fourth person can't to recite this verse. Because highest Viraha Bhav is there. Because without Viraha, separation, and meeting will be not nourished. For this regard, Nobina Vipralambeno Sambhoga Pushti Masnute Jatha Ranjite Kasaite Vastra. Give an example. When the cloth would put in the saffron color, that very nice, beautiful, delightful color coming. But again and again, if you put the same cloth in the saffron color, and that color will be more delightfulness will come. So in the same way, Viraha, nourishment to meeting. You heard, so for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us how we will feel separation from Krishna. Kaha mor prananath murali vadan, kaha jaun, kaha paun, Brajendra Nandan, kahare kohiva dukkha, ke jane mor dukh, Brajendra Nandan vina, hati mor dukh. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he felt pang of separation from Krishna, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha. Now my beloved Krishna left me. So for the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu day and night cried, Kaha mor prananath murali vadan. Where is my beloved Krishna who played the flute? Krishna Chandra Kulaman. Where is Krishna who, what is called, keeps the peacock feather on his head? Who plays the flute? Where you will go and where will meet with him? So these types of mood, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Viraha Bhav, I like the same mood of Srimati Radhika. রাধিকার ভাব যেইছে উদ্ধব দর্শনে সেই মত রহে প্রভু রাত্রি দিন. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained, when Uddhav came in Vrindavan and Uddhav he saw Srimati Radhika transcendental madness, that is called Dibba Unmad Dasha, and how Srimati Radhika she felt pang of separation from Krishna. In the same way, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu day and night felt pang of separation from Krishna. But here is very nice, beautiful Tattva Siddhanta in our Goswamis in their commentary explain. I hope all you know these things, because many times Gurudev told and all you heard also from the mouth of Vaishnavas. Actual origin Srimati Radhika, that is called Vrishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, the daughter of Vrishabhanu Maharaj. Vrishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, she always remains with Krishna. And she never separate from Krishna. Where is Krishna? There is Radha. So origin Vrishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, she always stay in Vrindavan with Krishna. Sometimes visible, sometimes invisible. Murta, sometimes amurta. Actually, Vrishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, she always remains in Vrindavan with Krishna. So, Vrishabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, two, what is called expansion. One is called Sanjogini Radha, another is called Viyogini Radha. Sanjogini Radha, she met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. That is called Sanjogini Radha. Or Viyogini Radha, she felt pang of separation from Krishna and she was staying in Uddhav Kyari. Actually, Uddhav, when he came in Vrindavan, and Uddhav actually met with which Radha? Viyogini Radha, not Sanjogini Radha, Viyogini Radha. So, our Goswamis in this way very nicely explain this Tattva Siddhanta. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu day and night also felt pang of separation from Krishna. Srila Gauraganda Goswami Maharaj very nicely and elaborately explained, if you go Jagannath Puri, then you can see through separation mode. To separation mode, what is called? Birha Murti. One is called Krishna Birha Vidur Radha, another is called Radha Birha Vidur Krishna. Krishna, he felt pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. Or Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna. That means Chaitanya Mahaprabhu think I am Radha. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu felt pang of separation from Krishna. Or Jagannath Puri, Krishna. He is feeling pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. So if you go Jagannath Puri, then you can see to separation mode. Vigraha is there also. Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna or Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha. Highest mood is there. But when you deeply analyze Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadvip Dham, Navadvip Dham, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also felt pang of separation from Krishna also. Just you heard when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came in Gaya, then he met with Ishwar Puripad. Siddha Devi she also told. That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu very humble told, Prabhu kaye gaya yatra safal amar jatakhan dekhilam charana tomar. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he met with Ishwar Puripad, in Gaya, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went Gaya for his father
Ceremonial.
ritual ceremony, that is Pritri Tarpana Shraddha this. At that time, same time Ishwar Puripad, he came, and that time Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu took darshan the lotus feet of Ishwar Puripad. And Ishwar Puripad, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu that time told, Ediha Samarpinu Tumara Charane. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, now I completely, absolutely surrender your lotus feet. And that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he took Diksha from Ishwar Puripad. Then after taking Diksha, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mind completely was changed. Before Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in Navadvip, he is called Nimai Pandit. And now after taking Diksha from Ishwar Puripad, then his name is called his what? Bhavuk Nimai. Before he was very arrogant. Nimai Pandit. If any Pandit will come, he defeat. He defeat, how do you call it? Prajit kar de.
Defeat.
He defeat. Then even in Navadvip Dham, everybody afraid to come in front of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Nimai Pandit. Big Panditas. Even the Keshav Kashmir. Also Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu defeat him also. What will say to others in this? So for this regard, he is called Nimai Pandit. But after taking Diksha from Ishwar Puripad, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood completely changed. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is completely absorbed in the same mood of Srimati Radhika. And that time he is called Bhavuk Nimai. Bhavuk Nimai, understand? Always absorbed in mood of Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Prem. Even Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Nimai, he told to his students, I will not give class to you. I will not teach to you any Sanskrit or grammar, anything. Only if you come in my place, all you chant, what name? Krishna, 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 Krishna. Krishna now. So, and that time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, day and night crying and crying and crying. And chanting holy names. Once Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was chanting holy names. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, I am taking darshan to Krishna. Krishna is coming. Very nice, beautiful, three-band fold, Tribhanga Lalit. Varha Pidang Natavarupu Karna Karnikaram Vibrata Vasu Kanakavisang Vijanta Malam Randhana Beno Rathar Sudha Purana Gopavrindai Bindaranang Sapataravanam Pravishata Giti Kirti. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chanting holy names, then Krishna appeared. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then Krishna has come. I had to embrace to him. Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, I am Radha. Now my beloved Krishna has come. I had to embrace my beloved Govinda. Then Krishna is very tricky. Just his eyes and with his hands also indicate me, please come, 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 come. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is going and how to hold the lotus feet of Krishna. Going. Then Krishna disappeared. Then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu fainted. This Leela also is in Navadvip Dham. Day and night crying in this mood. Gurudev told, actually Navadvip Dham is called his one, non-difference from Vrindavan. Many people are thinking maybe Jagannath Puri is highest place, or maybe most highest place, Godavari, where Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested his topmost form. That is called Rasaraj Mahabhava Sarup. So maybe Godavari place is topmost place. Maybe Jagannath Puri also topmost place. But when you deeply analyze, then you see which place is highest place. Navadvip Dham. Why? Because Navadvip Dham is non-different from Vrindavan. Navadvip actually non-different from Vrindavan. Just sometime a few days before I told, once Krishna midnight, Radha and Krishna they are taking rest, deep sleep. In the meantime, Srimati Radhika she waked up, and Srimati Radhika she asked Krishna, "Hey Prana Govinda Krishna, I lost my chastity." Chastity, understand? Sadhita. Why? Because one Brahmana, he appeared in my dream. I can't forget that Brahmana. In my life, my mind is never going here and there. Krishna Moi, Krishna Radha, Antare Bahire, Jaha Jaha Netra Pade, Taha Ishtas Pure. Devi Krishna Mai Pakta Radhika Paradevata. Sarva Lakshmi Sarvakanti Sanmohini Para. Gautama Tantra gives evidence. So Srimati Radha means is what? Always absorbed with Krishna. Krishna Moi, Krishna Radha, Antare Bahire, Jaha Jaha Netra Pare, Taha Krishna's Pare. Wherever she looks, everywhere she looks here. Krishna, Krishna, Krishna. And now Srimati Radhika is saying, in my dream, very one nice, beautiful Brahman had come. And that Brahman, very nice, beautiful, tallest Brahmana. Tapta Kanchana Gaura. That Brahmana. That Brahman was dancing, singing. Ajanu Lambita Bahu. That Brahman's hands going under the knee. Very nice, beautiful eyes, knows everything. And that Brahman is dancing, singing. When that Brahman chant holy names, then all world and start to shake. There's Brahmana. And I can't forget that Brahmana is very beautiful at that. When the Brahmana chant Hare, Hare, that I'm thinking, you are chanting Hare. Or when that Brahman chanting Krishna, that time I'm thinking I am chanting. Srimati Radhika says. Or sometimes when a Brahman chanting Hare Krishna, that time I'm thinking both we are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In this is Srimati Radhika. She told very nice, beautiful her sapna, means her dream. Then Srimati Radhika, she told, who was that Brahman? That time Krishna told, hey Radhe, actually that Brahman is मुझसे कोई अलग नहीं है, non-different from me. Actually, I was that Brahman. Then Srimati Radhika, she told how possible a Brahman. That Brahman is very tallest Brahmana. And also face complexion. You are blackish. Who like black things? No one. Asita na sakkai. You understand? Srimati Radhika, she told in her Brahmar Gita, Virodasa, I have no friendship with the black things. Asita na sakkai. So, but that Brahmana is very nice, beautiful, face complexion. And Tapta Kanchana Gaura. Are you are blackish? So how possible you are that Brahmana? That time Chaitanya, that time Krishna told, hey Radhe, listen, I have many incarnations. You are looking only my Krishna, but there is also another my incarnation. That incarnation name is called Gaura Avatar. What is called? Gaura Avatar. Then Srimati Radhika says, what is meaning Gaura Avatar? Please tell to me, what is the Gaura Avatar? And this Krishna told also another my Dham. You are looking this Vrindavan Dham. Also not different from Vrindavan, another also Dham. That is called Shetaddeep Dham. What Dham? Shetaddeep Dham. There are many names. Shetaddeep Dham, Gupta Vrindavan, Navaddeep Dham, many names also. Radhavan, Gupta Vrindavan, Gauravan, many names. Especially that name is called Shetaddeep Dham. Then Srimati Radhika told, okay, first I want to see your Gaura Avatar. That Brahmana same or not. That time Krishna manifests many incarnations, you know. Then when coming this incarnation of Gaura, and that time Srimati Radhika, he is that Brahmana. He came in my dream. That time Krishna told, actually that Brahman is not different from me, I am same. Now Kali Yuga has come and I have to manifest this Dham and of my beautiful form, Gaura Dham or Gaura Sarup. Then Srimati Radhika is very eager to told, hey Krishna, I want to see your Gaura Dham and I want to go your Gaura Dham, Navaddeep Dham. And Krishna told, okay, please come with me. Because I appear in my that Dham, very nice, beautiful place. That time, actually first Srimati Radhika, she told, oh, I don't want to go and Vrindavan se chhod ke kahin nahi jayenge.
Don't want to go anywhere.
I don't go anywhere
Out of Vrindavan.
out of Vrindavan. Only Vrindavan my name. Vrindavan mama jivanam. Vrindavan mama hridayam. Vrindavan is life. Vrindavan is my heart. How possible I will go other place? And there is no Giriraj Govardhan. Or there is no Jamuna Nadi, Jamuna river. There is no Gopis, especially Giriraj Govardhan. I don't want to go that place. Then Krishna told, hey Radhi, listen. With my Yoga Maya, I will manifest same Vrindavan in my Navaddeep Dham, Shetaddeep Dham. But that is very hidden place. That is called Gupta Vrindavan. So in this way Krishna, he manifests all his Vrindavan and Dham, everything is in Navaddeep Dham. And Giriraj Govardhan. If you go Navaddeep Dham, you can see there also Giriraj Govardhan. Kulyagram. If you now go to Navaddeep Dham Parikrama, that place also. That is the lap of Giriraj Govardhan. Also Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda. Where is Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda? Kobala. When you are going this, then. But in your material eyes you cannot see. Very nice, beautiful the place. Everything is there. Gopis, everything is this. Then Srimati Radhika, she told, okay, I go with you. But Krishna told, hey Radhe, listen. In my Navaddeep Dham, this is my best place, Navaddeep Dham, Shetaddeep Dham. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, this Navaddeep Dham also is higher than Vrindavan Dham. Why? Because Navaddeep Dham is called Aparad Bhanjan Sthal. What is it called?
Of breaking all offences. No offences are considered.
No, and there are no any consideration about any offense. Krishna Naam, Krishna Dham kare aparadhe vichar. Naam lele aparadhi re nahi vikar. Gaur Dham, Gaur Name nahi isve vichar. Naam lele prem then bhayo srudha. Nitai Gaur Premanand. You understand? If you chant holy names, you have to consider 10 offenses of the holy names. Namvarad Vichar, Satang Ninda, this way. Gaur Dham or Gaur Nam, there is no any consideration. Just to chant Gaura, 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 Gaura. Just to go Gaur Dham, Navadvip Dham. Then automatically all your offense, aparad will be disappear. If you say, no, I can't do parikrama. I have so much pain in my knees. Understand? So what will do? Well, just go Navadvip Dham and lay down on the ground. Just to sleep. Take prasad and sleep. What will get benefit? We do pranam, you know. You get the fruits of doing Dandavati pranam. If you go Giriraj Govardhan, many sadhus they are doing Dandavati pranam, you have been seen or not? One place they are doing Dandavati pranam, 1108. They do pranam. Have you seen? But you Navadvip Dham, just to go, just to sleep, no problem. Because I cannot do pranam, I cannot do parikrama, I do not do this, no problem. I am very lazy, I am very crazy. You are lazy, crazy, anybody will come Navadvip Dham. Just to sleep. Take prasad. And without charge. Without charge. Take prasad and sleep. Also get this benefit. Dandavati pranam benefit. Understand? Why I am saying? Because Srimati Krishna told, how is my beautiful this Navadvip Dham. And this Navadvip Dham also non different from Vrindavan. Just different is called. And one is called Madhurya Dham, another is called Phala. Audarya Dham. Vrindavan Dham is called Audaryamay Dham. Vrindavan ke Madhuryamay Dham. And Navadvip Dham is called Audaryamay Dham. Udar, magnanimity. They come. And Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, same Krishna appeared in the form of Sachidananda and Gaurvari. Just took Srimati Radhika's mood and her complexion. Even 6 types of people, they don't want to receive mercy from Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also chasing behind to them. And cut their choti and give also prayer. Take this. Why not? Take this. So I am saying, for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Dham, non different from Vrindavan, this is true. But his special quality, that is called Udarjamay Bhagavan. Udarjamay Dham. Udar. Is very generous. Magnanimous. Take this praying, everybody. Gaur Dham. So I am saying, because Gaur, actually this katha is also Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained in his book, that is called Sapna Vilasam Grantham. This Navadvip Dham is non different from Vrindavan. But speciality is what? Navadvip Dham, Udarjamay Dham. So Navadvip Dham actually called non different from Vrindavan. Bolo Navadvip Dham ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. I will not take too much of time. So tomorrow also Siva Chaturdashi, very for excellent auspicious day. So tomorrow we will also glorify about Siva Tattva. One devotee, when I came in Birmingham, staying in temple, many hours give Harikatha, and the day of Siva Chaturdashi. Then next day she asked me, Maharaj, please tell me about Jugar Tattva. I mean, Jugar Tattva, no, Siva Tattva. Because you were the
Mishrit Tattva. Mixed Tattva.
Jogar Tattva is that is called the Shiva Tattva is called. Jatha Dadi Khirab Khirang Jatha Dadi Vikarino. If the milk transfer in Jogat, but Jogat again transfer no milk. So this Katha he told, just he remember about the Jogat Tattva. He forget the Tattva about Shiva Tattva. So always he asked me, hey Maharaj, you tell me again about Jogat Tattva. Jogat Tattva is Shiva Tattva. When Shiv Chaturdashi coming, then you remember this. Jogat. So tomorrow we will discuss about Shivata Vaishnavanang Jatha Sambhu. There are many Vaishnavas, but Shivji is called topmost Vaishnava. Vaishnavanang Jatha Sambhu, Nimnanang Jatha Ganga. There are many also rivers, holy rivers, but topmost holy river that is called Ganga. There are many Puranas, but Idanam, then Bhagavad Purana. Srimad Bhagavad, that is called topmost Purana. Then Sarva Vedanta Sarangi Srimatam Bhagavad Misati Tadrasamta Tiptasa Nannat Katrachit. There are many Puranas, 18th Puranas, but topmost Purana, that is called Srimad Bhagavatam. If you have some taste will come to listen Bhagavad Katha, then you have no taste will come to listen other Kathas. So the Srimad Bhagavad Katha Amritam. So for the Sukadeva Goswami Pad quoted this verse, Vaishnavanam Jatha Sambhu. And also other Puranas also explain, and Brinda Devi, and also Sadasiv, how they discuss about Radha Krishna's very nice, beautiful Ashtakalin Leela Katha also there. Shiva Tattva, so tomorrow will be listen from the mouth of different Vaishnavas about Shiva Tattva Katha. And once you are devotee of Ganga Mata, they are also very nice, beautiful drama also. This you are doing or not? Oh, very well. Yeah, I like this.
They prepare the dance.
Dance. Which dance?
Shiva dance.
Shiva dance. Not a worship. Tandav Nitya.
Destruction.
Surprise.
What you will do? Gaur Premanand. I don't take too much time. Okay? Jai Jai Shri Ram. Balo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki. Your Arati finished or no? You did Arati? No? Arati finished or no? Nadia did? No. Pardon? Okay, small Arati, then you can take prasad. Good or no?
Srila Bhaktivedanta Goswami Maharaj.
Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki jai. Jai Jai Shri Ram.
So tomorrow's midday program is at Ajay Prabhu's house. 10:30. 10:30. Right on through to midday. And then the evening program is in the city. So please ask for the address for the Omnam Center in the city. Please invite your family and friends. Bring everyone, as many as you can. Fill up the hall. Very nice to see everyone. Srila Maharaj is only here for the next 2 days. On the 28th morning, he leaves for Delhi. And so please take full advantage of his presence here. I know some of you want to come for Harinam or Diksha. Please make an arrangement to do that. I think you have an online class as well at 8:30 tomorrow.
Huh?
Online class in Hindi, no? Nobody's hiring. Doesn't know yet. Oh yes, also the books, Srila Maharaj's books we have. Abhay Prabhu has the bag of books.
It's right there.
It's right, so please take advantage of those as well if you don't have any.
Yeah, Radha Tattva, yeah.
This one's the rare one. We only have a few copies left of that. Madhusmita, Shri Radha, Gopi Geet, Brahma Geet, and Swanya Vasaka.
They also in Hindi.
If anybody knows somebody who doesn't speak English, they are available in Hindi. The 2 copies of Brahma Geet and
Yeah, Brahmar Geet Hindi also.
and Bhakti Bhakta Bhagavan. And also the small books Upakyan Upadeshamrita, suitable for children. Very nice stories by Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, which Maharaj recites. So, very nice. And
Okay, डालते आरती करो. Okay, बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. Huh? Oh, where they are coming or not? What is he saying?
No news, Gurudev.
Or no need? Are you asked to Damodar?
I asked Damodar.
What do you say?
Nothing yet. Just 15 minutes ago I asked.
Nothing means?
They didn't say anything and they didn't came out.
They did not came up?
No. Still hold.
Still hold.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're not saying anything. I can send a message again right now.
Yeah. Huh? Okay.
Tomorrow night Omno.
Huh? Tomorrow go.
Tomorrow evening Omno.
Okay.
Really looking forward to it. Thank you.
Okay, हरि बोल धन्यवाद. नहीं अभी तो 10 तो बज रहे हैं 10 बजे.
कभी प्रबोधन में पूछा
हाँ.
कोई कायदा नहीं है उसके कितना घंटा रख सकते indefinitely रख सकते this situation indefinitely they can detain so they can detain as long as they want then we have to get a lawyer
What is the fault lawyer?
if we want to investigate further they some legal action has to be taken from
हरि बोल दे दे. Huh?
He's wondering if he can take Diksha.
Oh, okay. He lives in her. सिर्फ बात कर.
हरि नाम लिया था फोन पर से हरि नाम लिया दीक्षा नहीं लिया दीक्षा चाहिए
तो कल सुबह आ जाए.
हाँ जी कम tomorrow morning
हाँ ये अजय
What time?
at
night और the program is 10 बजे अजय हाउस. Okay, 10 o'clock come.
10 o'clock tomorrow 10 o'clock 10 o'clock
हाँ. Hey. Good. Okay. Thank you.
शिव जय जय गौराचार्य आरती
Oh
Hare
नित्यलीला पृष्ठम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर शतमान भक्ति वेदांत श्री वामन गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति प्रकांड केशव गोस्वामी महाराज भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज की जय। श्री गोविंद गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति रक्षा श्रीधर गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति प्रमण हरि गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। भक्ति विक्रम हरि गोस्वामी महाराज की जय। महाविष्णु गौरदास बाजी महाराज की जय। सच्चिदानंद भक्ति विनोद ठाकुर की जय। वैष्णव श्री जगन्नाथ दास बाजी महाराज की जय। श्री रूपानुग गुरुवर्ग की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। प्रदीप पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि की जय। अभिन्न वृंदावन श्रीनवद्वीप धाम की जय। धामवासी भक्तविंद की जय। सर्वधर्म राज गौर पार्षद वृंद की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। प्रदीप पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय। प्रेम पुरुषोत्तम सच्चिदानंद गौर हरि की जय। अभिन्न वृंदावन श्रीनवद्वीप धाम की जय। धामवासी भक्तविंद की जय। सर्वधर्म राज गौर पार्षद विंद की जय। आकर मठराज चैतन्य मठ के गौरी मठ समूह की जय। गौरी पादगण की जय। गंगा माता गोस्वामी गौरी मठ की जय। हरिनाम संकीर्तन की जय। संवेद गौर भक्तविंद की जय। गौर प्रेमानंद जय श्री गुरुपाद की जय। जय 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 श्री राम। ओम वृंदावी तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवश्च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदेवी तत्त्ववत् नमो नमः। वंशा कल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्येव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय
Please come and take some Mahaprasad.